In this brief update, I look at Brightline's construction around Melbourne. I start at Babcock Street near Melbourne International Airport. Crews that have been working on the sub-roadbed have made it this far north so far. Their equipment is parked here near the crossing. A new crossover will be built between here and NASA Boulevard, which can be seen in the distance. Here's a look at that same section of track from NASA Boulevard. Ties and other materials are already staged here. On the south side of NASA Boulevard, used signals are already in place for the future crossover. Looking north from the parking garage in downtown Melbourne, crews can be seen looking at an old industry spur. It will have to be removed as the second mainline track will be laid where it is. Just north of that spur is Lincoln Avenue. This crossing has already received new crossing protection and occupancy detecting radars. New signal bungalows have already been installed. Concrete crossing panels and a piece of pre-assembled track that will be inserted into place for the crossing second track are already staged. It looks like this will be the first crossing to be rebuilt in Melbourne. At Crane Creek, crews are still working on the temporary work trestle. This trestle, along with temporary trestles being built at other locations, are solely for use by construction crews and equipment to give them access over the water when working. Trains will not run across it. They are preparing to install another piling when a work stop was called so crews could clear the tracks for a passing train. Prospect Avenue on the south side of Crane Creek is the staging area for work here. The crossing has been closed since May to make work here easier. Here's a look at the top of the temporary trestle. Work on the new roadbed stops just south of the crossing. By the north end of the Palm Bay siding is a staging area for crews working on this section of track. Materials and equipment are stored here along with anything that has been removed from the right-of-way during construction. This includes things such as old ties as they wait to be disposed of. New ties are in place north of Jernigan Avenue. At Hesse Avenue in Palm Bay, new crossing protection has been installed. While not yet activated, it is ready for when the double tracking reaches this point. Time is running out to see trains running across this historic bridge over Crane Creek, so get your shots while you can. Here's a brief look at Florida East Coast Railway Train 202 across the bridge. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.